Homelite 2600 psi pressure washer is leaking gas. Trying to get the air filter assembly off so I can see the hoses near the carburetor. Having some difficulty to remove it. It is leaking, can't hardly see it, but there's a hose and looks like a clamp. I need to get that air assembly off in order to get a closer look. Looks like the brake is right there. Can't see it very well, but see what I have to remove to get to that tube. In order to take off the gas tank, there's 2 bolts that go through those holes, but there's this 8mm bolt that goes through this housing into the tank. Then it's just a matter of disconnecting this hose. You can see, not that long. And this appears to be the cause of the leaking gas. Hopefully replacing it will solve the problem. Obtained a new piece of gas line and attached it. Now we're going to feed it through the top of the engine. Changed the hose clamp to a more sturdy one, but it's in place. Had to loosen 3 bolts, or all 4 bolts holding the engine to the frame, so I could swivel it to get the air filter assembly off.